Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Eric in Pennsylvania on its Ranger RCI X9HP. Eric, I got this ready to go to add to your collection, my friend. Got your high cut filter right there on the back. Let's get with it. Our power all the way down. We've got to put a 250 watt slug over here in average. You got 5 watts all the way down it. We got plenty of adjustability if you decide to run it into an 8 or bigger. And right there you got about 60 watts. Let me show you average power swing. Oh, about 105 to 110 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello. 275 PEP. Alright Eric, ready to get this beauty to you. It's ready to go. You got your high-low bands, all your band switches and so forth. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks once again. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.